Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Hey, I wanted to bring you a video here of that swing arm that I couldn't get the little the pin out. So a lot of you guys said to weld a nut on there and then it would come out. So that is exactly what we're going to try today. I'm up here at my friend Terry's, and he is a forever welder and knows what he's doing. At least I hope he does. You can see the thing sitting right here. I'm going to flip the camera around the other way. We're going to weld a nut on there, and what I'm going to do is we're going to try to simulate it being on the motorcycle. So here's the nut that's going to get welded on there, but he can only weld it right at the end because he wouldn't be able to weld behind it when it's on the bike. So we're going to see if that little idea of your guys would have worked or would it not. So here we go.
Better move your hat.
Looks like it got pretty warm.
And you know what they're good for? Perfect. Now we gotta put this in a vise.
Should I touch it?
No, because we'll have to hold it like it's in the vise or bike, right?
Yep.
And it was really hard, wasn't it, to get?
It broke all my tools.
But I think it's just gonna break off.
If it breaks your socket, I'll get you a new one.
I don't know if it'll break the socket, but. Holy Rambo. Who put this in here? King Kong? Well, I don't know. That's on there, you know what?
I probably should have brought my my breaker bar up here so I could snap it off. Broke the nut right off of there.
See how it folded out?
Yep. If you think it'll go with another one, we can try it.
It took a lot of that off of there. See it? It's in the. It broke this bolt.
Yeah, it broke it right off.
It didn't break
the
the
stud.
weld. It didn't break my weld. Because the weld is a lot harder than that bolt is.
You think another one would do it, or do you think it's just going to be more of the same?
Probably have more of the same. You see how much that is? That took that much off of it.
Mm-hmm. Since that one broke right off of there, he's gonna re-weld a new nut on there and then try heating everything up with a torch to see if that would have done it. Now, I don't know how much heat I would have applied right on the bike. I would have maybe been able to get off the left side of the bike. So he's opening up the nut a little bit so he can actually get it down a little deeper, get onto a little bit more meat. So we'll see how this goes.
Now they said that heat should transfer, but oh shoot. She's breaking the nut again.
Fail.
Took another piece off.
It's getting shorter.
Oh, it's shorter.
It's going to be just a little stub there pretty quick.
That thing's in there tight. And it's still in there.
So all those guys out there that thought that this would work, it was a good thought. Well, everyone, I think I can safely say that that thing wasn't going to come off no matter what. So I think I definitely made the right choice by cutting that swing arm off. And as you can see, even welding it on there twice, it just keeps shortening up the stud on there now, and it's still stuck in there tighter than the hubs of hell. So thanks so much for watching. Yeah, I don't mind throwing this thing right in the garbage. So catch you on the next one.